Yini ama-roles a-side chick? Break them down for us. Roles of a side chick?
A role of a side chick. Yeah, ke role a side chick. It's go there, have fun with the man. Because lokuthi abe now, he needs to ufuna explain those and ifuna nje side chick. He needs the good sex la ayithola ekhaya. He needs the food lo angaphekwa kamnandi ekhaya. Bafana babheke kahle. Pay mind. You can't tell me ukuthi wena you are loyal to a married man. Like sukudom. Idla imali. udla imali, ubuyele ku-boyfriend wakho. That's all. You just drink lena 30 minutes before you go to bed and it stays in your body for 4 days. Let's say we are crepa ngalelo lang. But there's still the next day, the lemon is so lumped in yakho, you can still feel whoa. And ungamrepa phela nemuntu because it makes you yeah, it makes me really want a man.
Superstar Rockstar Levol, Bafethu, welcome back to the biggest YouTube channel. Bafethu. If you haven't subscribed by now, subscribe, Bafethu. Please make sure pause the video right now. Pause this video, subscribe, hit the notification button, comment, most importantly, share, Bafethu. Share this video to everyone. Let them know what we're part inside. We're back in the building, the biggest YouTube channel in the country, Bafethu. You know the vibes. But again, enjoy Bafethu. We are out here at Ikleri Store. Ikleri Store, Lagamanzin, Bafethu, sells local brands. Bafethu. Fagenes Pova, Cool Cat came through to give us Pova, Nabul Kotwagim, Lanang Guys, there's a lot of brands that I hear, but like I heard and let them as well. Make sure now Trust Cuts you check them out. You come check us out also. Last Tolo. Now Trust Cuts pins with online, TikTok, Corner, Ikleri Store, Facebook, Instagram. Buffet. Don't get more like the correct. Buffet. The corner. Tikonzela Buffet. Hey. I know you're probably gonna ask, guys, but hey, it is what it is, guys. New me, I guess. So go show to even $dollars at like YouTube. Now my subscribers now at to the road to 20K subscribers. Make sure you subscribe and we make sure we try to give you guys fire content. And this lady that I have right now, pop up FYP. I'm gonna very ngatish. So I'm trying to know to make a show. I'm letting that kurma guys. But in that develop, guys, it's not that deep, guys. In that develop, that's why we make sure we bring you the 11 people. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, please welcome Melissa in the building. Listen, the chance. Melissa in the building.
Oh.
How are you?
I'm good.
Do I talk a lot?
No, you're not.
Right. Right.
Yeah.
TikTok.
It's not bad.
When they unlock TikTok.
That's what they call me. That's what they call me anyways. But I help people. More beyond spiritual, motivation. It could be anything.
Guys. So why because FYP in time, man. The sister is talking spiritual stuff. What do you do exactly now? Okay.
Because I know when they easily pay attention to that. But all of the things like those are natural herbs. Like vimbela causing to make vimbela, rose water, vimbela axuyumot. It's just a product like vaselina. But like works it spiritual.
She's passing in Vimbela.
Okay, Vimbela, mafuta, la spiritual. Nanga benje, they come in different colors. Kukona lele bovu ngihlala ngikhuluma ngalo kakhulu. They protect you because it's pila in a spiritual way. Last pila kwa idkhohlakala bamflabo. So like say that like now it protects you from tingo temoto good angel vimbela and all the different colors according to your problem la inhloko nesicitho ufuna inhlanhla tembo takho ufuna livuleke kuyakusida. Yes, live vimbela nje ngivazelina. It's just that usebenza spiritual and uyawuthandazela
manje man ufika njani ke lokuthi uthi thengisa ini uthi what do you do?
I do a lot of things.
Take us through.
I do a lot of things. Yes. Okay. I do a lot of things. I'm a brand myself and my products from scratch. Moringa, mafuse kugcobisa buso. Kunabo night and day ngiyabenda from scratch. Netinsipho ngiyatenda tabo moringa, turmeric. Ngalama product ke la spiritually bobulongo I do make them from scratch. So letimvo letinye ngiyatenda and letinye ke ngiyadati nje ngitithatha lapha eBukhoweni dam. So ngiyadati lokuthi lokhu kwenda lokhu because I'm a gifted person, I'm a spiritual person. Angisizo sangoma guys. Angisizo sangoma ngumomfu nje lona elibito. I do believe in God more than anything. I do believe in God. But ngilokuthi ngingumomfu lo khona ukubona umomfu lo khona ukusense ama energies ukuthi hayi lo uyaganga lo. I can tell nani nje uyabo ukuthi le vibe the energy kanjani but ngumflo kanjalo so I know ukuthi le energy le or lesifo lesithika this and that.
Do a reading on this guy please. Angimthembi. Ngiva ngasina ungisabotage ufuna ukuyisa le podcast.
Nah.
Is
it's
it
not bad?
Is it good intentions?
Good intentions.
Ngicela ulendi reading yaphi kune girlfriend la ithanza kakhulu ukuthi is it gonna last you?
La ithanza ko.
Nah.
Ithanda nguye noma yena ithanza yona.
Biggie. I've been telling you, brother. Ngicela ukuthi akubona na uphuma umbeke etandla Big. So what makes you qualified ukuthi wende lo msebenzi lo njengoba usho ukuthi awusinyanga pheza usiyomthakathi manje uqualify kanjani manje ukuthi ngithi mina ngingakuthemba? Did you trust? I don't know what did you go to school to learn about this thing? Or allowed to receive nje? I don't know.
Okay, I dream a lot. Growing up when Papa vele kakhulu I would see things but ezukhula ke lethi about understand uyabona. Uyakhula nje until bo latest 26 nangina 26 because now I'm 31. Yes, I look, but I'm 31. I look hot, but I'm 31. Okay, yes. So I dream a lot. Lethi nje bengitibona and mina umfu ngiyabona na tonganga noma nangangile I see the real face leli popular malgeki. Liyaconza nje uswena uganga nguzibani bani. So growing up I used to share the dreams. I think kupheka soka so I didn't understand and baba wami didn't believe in these things. I believe very not at all. But in my mother's side, they were supportive because bona bayakwazi and they believe in it. Because nalesi for something I live in Kabomag. So growing up, we kwahamba nje tamta pizza uyabona kungahambi kahle.
The gum itak prices. The gum through the interview, yes.
Okay.
Ngakubhekela lapho.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, it's fine. You can continue. Oh. It's a podcast, yeah.
Okay. Ciao. Okay, so in my mother's side, they were supportive. So timbo tamtanga until ngaphupha ngalelanga lomnye mkhulu because I didn't know, I didn't understand the spiritual weapon, but I used to dream, I used to see things and share it with my mother. And most of the time, the thing was a bit more accurate. Even or anything that I would say, it went. So but one day again, until this old man came to my dreams. So fast forward, but there was a period of time for some time. I guess being off TikTok in that time, be the smell of famous. So I think believe in now because babona this beautiful lady lo because they believe believe kuze kuthi ngathi ukuthi lo yalapha kufuna ngathi uyangcola kufuna gabe kube nebuhlalo kube nesign ufuna bengumake lo mdzala noma mkhulu uyabona so angithatheke serious but a lot of people laba ke bawasebenzisa ima products they've tried but it's asikuthembi but we'll try and then once they try they know uyabona ayisiyakuvuma sikukhobosile siyakuvuma but kakhulu angizange ngesikolweni but there was a time ngahlambululwa ngaphakamiswa the gifts that I have. So it works.
Or the process to awaken the spiritual gifts
yes,
called Loksambulula.
Yes, it's called
So what's the process? What do you do now to Shambulula?
Uyahlambulula kuba ngumsebenzi uhlatshwe imbuti ugatshiswe ke lobuhlalo ugatshiswa nalamahiya uye elwandle ugeze ukukhulunywa kuyakhulunywa ke vele nakathakathwa guys siyakhuluma awubani nje siyakhuluma nje usho ukuthi okay nakumthanda kukasoka sicela amanene imkhanyisele nemvulele nalesiphiwo lana so sisebende yebo kulokuhlambululwa ke lokho
wena nje waye beach
yes
Not why beach, not for go swimmer for
Not for
kuhlanjululu.
Gosima. I've went there many times with Hlambulula, and a lot of times ngethwana angisilo umuntu lo share go ema moves because ngiyabantu bani bayagang. So ngiyaya nje ngethwana ngiyaconnect ihlambulula mina.
So
But ekuqaleni ngahlunjululwa ngilo babe lomdala lokhulile. Lona lo wakhonjiswa in my dream. It wasn't anyone. It was that man, only that man.
but so it's in the upbringing, just so we get a little bit of understanding.
Yeah.
Sibonga ngubani, utalwa kuphi, uchamuka kuphi.
Okay.
And ufika njani, why take it to TikTok?
Yeah. Okay, igama lami nginguMelisa, ngwakashabangu, ekhaya kithi kusekuteni, la khabo baba wami. But ngikhulele eMbabane. La okay baba mbore house eMbabane. So ngikhulele khona ke nje ma-suburbs. Ngikhulele khona nje ngiphila soft life and everything. Ngabe seke ngiyakhula uyabona ngiyatimela ngisheshe ngafunda ke impilo ngatimela nje. Now I have my own things, I have a lot of things. So
Nah, baby.
I have a lot of things. No man is involved. I work hard for my things.
He's gonna see this person over plung. It's gonna be touched.
No man. Angisayize ngidusele muntu. I work
Hi,
hard.
bo.
I work hard for my things. So there was no man involved.
Ulokho nokukhanza vele so right.
Ukhanza ngiseright ngiyamsho naye ukacansi ngirich but nje vele lo khona ukhona yena. Ukhanza ngiright.
Manje, now that you're in a relationship with someone and you can see people ubonani kule relationship yakho.
I know everything. I know his move. I know his lies. I know everything about him. Yes.
Uyabona nti is their future, my sister. No one's
I
vele
know
in
if
it.
there's a future or not.
And in this current one,
In this one, there's a future.
no possibility.
100%.
Manje, what would happen because obvious fanele ukuthi ujole phela, and I'm sure ukuthi affect ukuthi you can already see ukuthi maybe I like Banele. But noma singenda lento yethu itawuphela emoyeni, how is that maybe affected you if it has?
Okay, if ngiyendeka uyathi nje as a lady uvuthi I'm attracted to you, but mina ngisheshe ngidzinwe because ngiyabona ukuthi because I can sense your energy. Ngizoke ngibona nje ukuthi ufuna likukhu lami wena. It's not like khona lokufunayo. I can tell usang approach nje.
But uyanginika yini ngabe nawe vele uyangifuna?
No, I don't.
But even though so ubona ukuthi ngifuna.
No, unless nje ngikuthemba lokuthi you are pegged and
Phela afuna ukwanisa naloko.
benefit. No, I know. No, I know.
Just from looking at a person, you can tell, ukuthi, hey, this one is good in bed.
Yes.
What are the signs? How do you?
No, ngaphandle nje kwekubuka ukuthi how pegged you are, I can tell. Like, it's like nangubuka, I see more than what I see.
Iyangithusa nyana. Ngoba nendlela ngishaya ngama-side eye ngayo ngazi khona lo ngathi leli themba likho angisathi noma is right or it's wrong. Hi guys.
No. Yeah.
Usho nje manje so in short, your dating life, how has it been since ngokubona konke lokho, and your sex life?
My sex life is good.
Oh.
Yeah, because angishuka code.
I know it's fine. It's a podcast.
Come with you are boring. You are boring. This is how I want it.
Oh.
And you should do it this way. Now,
how do you like it?
How do I like it? I like it slow. I don't like it rough. I like it slow. Yeah, it turns me on. Yeah, it turns me. I like it slow. Take your time and understand my body language. Because a lot of us as ladies asikwati ukukhuluma nge-sex. So people pretend and just pretend it like we enjoy it again. So I'm vocal about that. Ngiyakutshela nje ukuthi it wasn't good. Angisilo umuntu pretenda ngiyasho nje. Now if I say one more, I can tell you that. Or utawubona nje body language ngena on top of you. Then it shows I'm not satisfied.
Up your game chance. What's your worst sex experience? Longest share yona since ubone. That was one of the worst. Maybe
the worst.
Yeah. What happened? When done umnaka?
I think I dated a bed kisser. Yeah. I didn't like that. And that was the and was like, if a bed kiss and how I feel like, I know what you have. So now I have a velutang on a sakabzan and getting born and Levol ayinzawo. Ayinzawo.
We've heard someone like podcast official teacher. I don't know if you know her
Yeah,
from
I know
TikTok.
her.
Yes, she was telling us a lot of what to do in bed, how to kiss, and all of that. And guys, Satana Manos or search the episode. Konala, what's the story? It's there, guys. So, since we're already here, hey guys, the conversation is moving. Ngazama uyibisa but ufuna ibhekele.
No, interested.
No, not really.
Okay.
But now we'll try to cover up everything.
Yeah.
We have time. But since we are here, in one of your videos, because I have a couple of questions.
Yeah.
Now based on the content you browser through. You know, I saw you on TikTok.
Yes.
You mentioned something about guys, we don't just get hard for no reason. Our dick can sense stuff. Elaborate because
no, dick in a mood, nje. In a mood. Like kufana ne character. I character kufana na now interested to someone. You don't just approach anyone lo wendlula la mgaqweni. Uba a specific, this is what I want from a lady. This is what, and a lot of times as my ladies astinag, you understand, astinag hygiene wise, and we think the guys will understand that. So ngeke uthi uya a guy and girlfriend wakho ngumvulo ngatinag hygiene wise, because sex it's about kuhloba, ube right, smell good, eat good, ivagina different clean uyabona. Na bed le you guys will run away. So lo thing is iyachwenza vele. Sometimes nje I vote not because uyagula unashukela, no. It's because even the person, you don't feel the person that is next to you. Feeling nje usathi ungena embhedeni ufake igown ufake ama leggings ufake in noma uyafuna ukuthi yebo today is the night, but nazomkhanza nje I have that character vele shobele phasi.
Reasons why? Maybe one of the reasons is it my body trying to tell me something's wrong? Is when
no it's sex. I believe, because I'm not a guy, I wouldn't say 100%, but I believe with sex for a man, it comes from the mind. The mind tells the penis, let's get ready. So if your mind, because you see and then you see the mind and the eyes, they work together. If the mind says, already the penis react with eye.
Sometimes you feel, or sometimes
you feel, yes. With the lingerie, we're like, ooh, yes. Yeah, but already the mind is telling the penis, it's getting hard today. It's getting hard today. Already you get horny, the dick gets hard. But now I'm a villain, you start the mind lo mthambo wengqondo ugijima uyele uyotshela lokuthi hayi ayikho lento. Offside, yeah.
And when unema products ayo yonke into lekhona emhlabeni ngoba une product yanaku of which utas breakela down i-product yakho leshisa record kulamalanga. I think there's one that I record really, but lenye info lengengakuva usenza ngayo one of your latest videos inzaba yebantu labanemona nekucherisha abangani bokhuluma ngendzaba ye baby shower ukuthi bantu bayafika. Elaborate ngendzaba baby shower ukuthi bantu in our modern age when the baby shower, then everyone keeps touching their tummy, go to pregnant, touching the tummy, the importance of that. Maybe not in detail what you meant by that.
Okay, I will start by I don't believe in friendships. I don't have friends. So anyone says I may have friend, I don't believe in friends. I don't have friends. My friend and my sisters, those are my friends. So siphila siphila nebamfu laba nemona ezikakhulu nje thina ma ladies as Tanzania, as appreciatean, as jabulelan. So go baby shower, it's about the baby kahle. Nomfuna ke baby shower just about the gift angithi ukuthi the baby should have gifts and everything and the woman should feel special. So obvious lapho kutoda your fake friends kakhulu, and they will carry the present. Nabeta ke bathenza lesi labantu labanemona uyathi ukuthi khona umngani labangani belonga bafoli bambani. And then you invite me to your baby shower. Of course, you expect me to be there and smiley and congratulations. But deep down, I know, look, I'm sad. I wish for that life. Hallelujah. So, kukhona labanye inhlito ebuthakathi vele ukuthi yathi nangasusa nakho la ndleleni ngimlaye nje. And then now you allow them bathatha ama pictures babambe sisu. And even lama present because beta baphethe impahla. And this is a real thing le ndekako. Uma bamthala umbala for 9 months and then sekufanele amtale, the baby is gone. Why? Because of those baby shower. Not everyone though. Akusiwo wonke umuntu lo experience this, but it's really kukhona. Even the present ngoba kusuke impahla, ama toys and everything from 0 to 3 months. Lo mbala nakatala utata igcoka msi. Noma ungamtala phile but impahla lo ngade uthi chamuke utata igcoka we understand. Uve uthi umbana soyagula uyashisa uphathwa iration everything. Ngileti impahla leta tachamuka because bonke abantu ba-invitela you believe are your friends. But deep down khona laba probably 20% they are your real friends. The 80 or they are your fake friends. They are there just because by all bona bambo vele and then baby shower. Anyway, yeah, and going good. It's not a good thing. Okay, I say ukuthi ungayendi baby shower. You get ungayendi baby shower, but be careful because kunebantfu labangakujabuleli and friends Okay, ngiyidebate experience because the way I talk sometimes they think ukuthi yathi mele abakhuluma about friends. No, I don't believe in just esikoleni. I don't believe in friends. I used to have a friend. The only genuine friend I had was a primary. That was my genuine friend. From high school, I've never had friends. My life, I had that's all. But to call you my friend, I don't have a friend. Because I can see through you.
Oh, that's the thing.
Because I can see through you. I can know you're faking. So for me, even as ngisheshe ngubona ngukhatha off futhi.
Manje nyalo nje ngwena baby nso.
Oh.
You don't have a baby.
No, I don't have a child.
Yet.
I've never had a child. I don't have a child. And the thing is, for that part, it's deep and it's emotional. Why I don't have a child? Why I don't want a child?
You don't want to?
No, I don't.
Haibo.
Yeah.
Why? If you don't mind sharing.
There was a time where I wanted a baby, but I wasn't practical for the baby. But then I lost my father. I was very close with my dad, very close. So he died last year, 21 December. Yeah. No, it's okay. So I was close with my dad, and we used to talk. Baba was hey, and everything, and he died at Umtukulu yet. From my other siblings. So when he died, I was hurt. Like being emailed even right now. But so I have no purpose. Please, you know. If for a child, there's no one more than my dad because he really, really wanted me to have a child.
That's the reason you should be having a kid.
No.
To me, it's like, come on, that's the reason you should be having a kid.
For who? To please who?
But when you're a spiritual person, and in the spiritual journey, we know we see people don't die, they become...
My dad cannot be pleased, I know. And he cannot be pleased just because he could have wanted this. No.
But your partner is cool with you not wanting to have a kid.
He has a child. I don't. So I feel like even if... With who?
Oh. He's in a relationship with you.
No, we're there for the necking. Please. With who? No, he's away. I'm afraid of I'm pretend. This is why I makeup. I'm not a makeup person. And his hands, he is. So even my life, it's an open book. This is what I want. You proceed. This is what I want. And I don't. And I'm cool. Maybe I can change my mind. But for now, Jane, and the process that I'm in, I know I will have kids, but for now I feel like I don't want kids. Because I know even the number of kids I will have. But for now I don't want kids.
Have a kid. Have a kid. You should have a kid. Come on. Yeah. I feel like I understand the reason economic reasons. Good say we don't have money.
No,
I don't want my
money
kids
for
to
the baby.
suffer. But like sometimes I feel like it's so selfish. No, but it's not like but they had it all figured out.
Yeah, sometimes we
the
are
least,
selfish.
Exactly. I feel like sometimes that's how I feel sometimes. But at the same time, I could tell myself, no man, this is life. Now I have to pass it on to the next generation. I have to give something. Come on.
And sometimes we should have right reasons. Ungabi nemfana just you please your parents, you please bangani bakho, bani so naye ngathi competition. End of the day, that's your child. Nguwe lo tawa responsible namapo responsibility.
For the sake of procreation is one thing God gave us. What's uNkulunkulu talana nansi? The procreation leyo.
What's talana nansi?
Okunamhla ngiva eBhayibhelini akukhona le njengale. So asikho lapho. Fast forward.
Because of now piece good.
We're story for another day. We'll come back and have a chat about it. The other thing that you touched on, very interesting topic, and that happened in Nzaba Masai chick.
Yeah.
Hey, with that smile, have you been a side chick before? Have you ever been a side chick?
Yeah. And that bastard never told me I'm a side chick. Like, he never told me. That man never told me, would say, I'm married, you know. He was a nice guy, nice dude and everything, good looking. He never told me I'm married for the longest time. Then once I found out, and unfortunately, so I don't have a child with that man. So, but I was like, okay, out of experience, sometimes I just wake up and have this thought, let me talk about this. I feel like people... And I know even my videos, I know what's nang posted this video, it would go or would just be there.
Still my views on the podcast.
Just be there.
What are the views?
It blessed. Blessed.
Yeah. Okay. We receive. Yeah, so you were telling us, the bastard never told you you're a side chick. How long did it last?
Didn't last long because I found out. My ladies, is the other one. Hey, my side chick. Side chick. Well, Lord, because I'm side chick. Just stay away from my man. Did you know that he's married? Side chick. This man is married. I was like, bye. It's
your it's in the side chick.
Yes, a side chick. Please stay away from my man. Did you know what's your man is unemfat. I'm like, so when ungena because now ungenye peace.
So yena kahle ulwa side chick lenyelelwa nawe kuba main side chick basically.
And it involves a lot of times. It involved kwaba nje iwo lembi vele. Le kabi. Because ngibed kwanami.
Kwendekani? Tell us. Uphe uziwo lembi ukeka. Kodwa kunekhona once.
No,
because you are helping someone that's going through the war now.
Side chicks, be careful. So this lady, Wang Shaila, of course, would stay away from my man. He's my man. But prove that he's my man and then end up telling me, I didn't fight. And the other side chick, and believe I have a child because I love babies. I post my sister's babies. So and I thought this child that I was posting, it was my sister. Yale. So then Wang Shaila, stay away from my man. I'm like, bitch, I'm like, bitch, nah. If the good is good, let's stay together. And some tell you, so what? Should I leave? No, I won't leave. The sex is good. I will stay. Not because I wanted to stay, but I'm liar. I will say, no, I will stay. I say, okay, stay. But okay, it's good. But fast forward, I'm sure guy. But then involve girl because their married guy really liked me. He really did. Guys, I'll say this because I know. I'll say this. A married man cannot love a side chick. It's a lie. It's a big lie. A man it's just that because go committed, and everything. But again, the guy in it's side chick. The only mistake in the issue so that man really liked me. He couldn't stay away from no my sanction. Hey, was no, I can't. I can leave this woman. Hey. Kwaba nabo court order. Like this man was really obsessed. Like vele relationship yami baganja men get really obsessed because I'm not getting a man right. I use pink water. I use red water. Ngiyageza nje umvulo hlobile spirits energy yami it attracts men like real men. So angakhoni to stay away from me.
Kodwa Khetho sekusuke kwa-emphasize lokuthi real men.
Real men. Like not just any man, kuba real men.
Not boys. Please. You had to take a sip umphelele mandla. Uthathe isip Khetho so yamebonzeni. Emthethe mandla man. Yes, sorry.
So this other side chick, so nje ma side chick vela awuthanda umuthi, they think ukuthi uMdlotha stay wina ngemuthi. Uyabona. So wawusebenzisa umuntu awusendisela umflo wrong. Yeah, so angihambela nyanga angifaka isifo. And I once posted a video go TikTok yami. I was really bad ngini mabala majijabolo isifo lokusina ukuqhamuka nje unyanyeke. So
By the way.
Isifo is so umva sebenzise a spell. Khuluma kanjani nje sukakuloyile yes ukuthi ukhweshe kulona noma ke lo mvu lomdurana kabona wena nje even athi uyacansuka uyabona yes beka ngifake lokho but ke lesifo sita vele netimvo letikabi bad dreams itimvo takho tingahambi kahle nalabusweni uyabonakala ucala ube sigcwagcwa nje mile timvo leti understandable so benganjalo ke mina unfortunately the man didn't live still noma sangifayele still because ngimtshela futhi kuma videos am but not indirect. Yes bitch, you messed up with the wrong woman. Cause waka ngumvulo wrong mina nje mithi angisebenzele. Awusebenza ngithiki bongisebenzela by that time because bengisize ngabi ngilomuntu because emvolena story sakatheni uyabona. Bengisize ngabi ngilomuntu lo this dangerous now. So wangisebenzisela kumuthi but ngakhona kutisita ngihamba itinyanga njengoba ngishido ngathi angisisa ngoma angisiyo inyanga I'm just a spiritual person ngiyawusebenzisa in everything that I use it even time I use prayer more than anything umthandazo uhamba phambili even lelivimbela you pray because mina nginesithunywa ngidedlodi nginesithunywa something that tells me to hamba ukuphe na imphansi boil it and drink it hamba uthesena ama cloves wabilise tawuphela whatever ugula lonako yabona I use herbs and everything I don't use umuthi because umuthi is the city involele mata umumfu so I don't use those things so I was able to heal myself without ngenyangeni uyabona and then taqala tavuleka and nasingakhuluma ukuthi side chicken yalempilweni okuphi kwena akusiyo yakhe uyabona it's and you can't fight for a man long ade usufuna lempilo because this man didn't know what he wants. You can't fight for a man.
Then you went on and said, hey, I'm so stuck kule point ukuthi guys kungalo emaside chick azaloyani then wife yini umsebenzi wakhe lapho nakunebantu laba bangindvosi yakhe ngaphandle yasho it's deep guys.
Yeah. No, even there, it went to the point yafika nasemfatini phela vele naye asangishayela. I was like this man, I'm not the first side chick he has ever had. But why are they just focused on me? And besides, being a movie, I understand it, but they are side chick, but why is them, both of them are focused on me? I was like, but intimidation, because, and the man palanga for nixuga veil.
Yini lo cabanga bemenda kutsandze?
My juju, my vagina.
Ay.
Yeah.
As a friend, the guy was prepared, guys, to leave his wife for you.
No, he was prepared. He was prepared to leave. Even the side chick knows, the wife knows, he was prepared to leave.
But guys, yo, yeah, so then you went on those videos that I saw and said, how is side chick akufanele umithe?
Umithelani? Umithela ini? Yeah, ukuthi the struggle that comes from kumitha nje umithela umuntu wemuntu. Number one, lo manje akakhona enjoy impilo because ne side chick leso abantu abonibonela kuba waiting rooms. Nakatholela isikhathi sekunyonyoba because once vele umithela indvosa ayishadile unyonyoba vele. It's not like lo mfana would be allowed le khaya lendvosa vele kutabona le ma BNB lana atholana khona ke noma leti ganyeni whatsoever ngale bamfa bakhe abantu baya enjoy baya bo space baya kuma trips bo Durban wakho umntwana hle naye le ndlo wo post okhala lo mfana bayephi ke namuhla and ezakhula lo mfana you have to explain who is my dad? Why is not here? And funa umchazela unendvodza yakhe unemfati wakhe yabona. Why uthandana nendvodza yembuva utawukhula kude futhi why uthandana nendvodza yembuva bekushodani?
So kahle is
Ulimata ifuture yemana nje uyamconfuse futhi. Kwanawe nje ufika kanjani kumitheni? Ufika kanjani kumitheni because yeah, ufika kanjani kumitheni nendvodza yemumva. Okay, noma akusiye umuntu but a married man, guys, no. It's not worth it. I feel like it's not worth it.
What's the whole point then of being side chick kumele yendeni? Inema rose side chick, break them down for us. Rose of a side chick.
A role of a side chick. Yeah, ke role a side chick. It's go there, have fun with the man. Because lokuthi abe now, he needs to ufuna explain those na ifuna nje side chick. He needs the good sex la ngayithola ekhaya. He needs the food lo ngaphekwa kamnandi ekhaya. Bafana babheka kahle. Bayemandi. And bayaxoxa futhi nabadoda abo
no, maybe asithi maybe ukujwayele. But sometimes you get used to kudla wasekhaya. Maybe sometimes you feel like you need.
Ukujwayele but la kuwe he came for fun. Exploring.
My vibes,
uyabona. Yebo uhamba khethu but kuwe utele uyabona. So now vavesa nami I'm here for your money. Because vele uta nawe you want to give money ukabisa uthi unemali vacation because phela kudele inzayo singabonela khona phandle hotel whatever. So nami irole side chick is to have fun. Have good sex. If he's good in bed, have good sex. Walk away, uhambe boyfriend wakho. You can't tell me ukuthi wena you are loyal to a married man. Like usukudoma. Idla imali. Udla imali, ubuyele ku-boyfriend wakho. That's all. Ungamithi. Awumithi.
Have you ever been flown out with the boy side? You've been a side chick?
Yes.
Guy one. No, I said, probably.
No. The only one, and I found out in law.
What's the craziest thing a guy that man has done for you? What's the widest thing he's done?
A lot. That man was good.
No, I can't tell you something. What's
it's
because we hear stories like men building houses for side chicks, buying cars, renting houses, flyer arts. When I
he sent me to driving school, I think 2019 or 17, somewhere there. I have a license, it's because of him. Oh.
Now go constructive
no, he was prepared, I'm telling you.
The rest beg you and man.
No, because the man was there. I mean, the man was there. That's why I liked him, because the man was there. But the thing is, he didn't tell me he was married until that side chick called me. I should say, this is my man. Did you know who's them fight? I was like, oh. I gonna be saying puputli very sure.
Sesisama up ngalenza ba category yabo side chick.
Yeah.
Normal with dealing with men and cheating and stuff. Do you think this is what you said? You said something like great sex can make someone great sex can make a person stay in a toxic relationship.
Yeah, it's true. It can.
What do you mean by that? And what do you mean by toxic? Toxic to what extreme?
Okay, cinema ladies were wired differently. We use inhlitiyo. So when we use the heart, anything that we do, emotions, we use the heart. So sometimes movie just because he's good. He's good. And in we're like, hey, who's gonna suck my vagina? Who's gonna, those things. And he's toxic, but in your head, we're like, ish, if I leave this, because he's good.
Do you think that's part of the reason why? Because as we're shooting, I was thinking about it when I woke up this morning. Let me tell you the situation. Maybe you'll tell me your take on it. I had a conversation with different girls, different days. The other one, normal day, another day is telling me I'm in a relationship or what. But she's telling me the boy uyamshaya abusive. But I'm like, mina, the way you're telling it's like it's normal because like I'm sharing at 7 but we are cool now. Then fast forward, itolo. Because I made the video this morning. Then I was asking people, guys, the lady is almost saying the same thing. But see, the guy young shy. And in normal, guys. And to me, I don't find it normal, personally. And I'm trying to understand. And now that you mentioned that, would it be the reason maybe...
Okay, in that situation, it's not sex sometimes. Sometimes it's not the sex. Abusive people are manipulative. Very manipulative. Like, let's say, if a man abuses you, or that sweet voice. Actually, I just baby those things, it goes to the heart. We are born. Obvious. Now, we use the heart most of the time, and they are very manipulative. Sometimes I'm shy. I'm bope. The next day, sex manipulate with the good sex. It's the tongue. They have a soft tongue. And depends on now boga move. I would say, yeah, we love sounds like didn't talk. Cool. Uba was no mangsha ile nang pumalang daw yapi. Ang namalang nam 7 developing dependele kulo mthulo. So I rather be beaten up. But ibi rent being ibadalwa. Rather yabona as the phakamisi and we are lazy. Naloko kuyakwenda uhlala in a toxic relationship because lo mvu yalo sengakushaya and you won't go anyway. Ngubhadala rent, nguthekela kudla umndeni wakini unakwangimi. You are not going anywhere. And now nasohlala ucabanga ukuthi nangihambiswa nje ukuthi ungibhamle ngembama, is it worth it? Ungakone bafati bayabachita but abasuka abanyakade emakhaya abo because they know ukuthi nangishiya lo mcebo la ngiyaphi. Ngiyakubani angihleka futhi ekhaya uyabo uhlene mvulo toxic la ngam respect la mchita and everything but uthi angishiyi mina lephule angishile moto le angiyinzawo ngiyahlala la ahamba odgwadlela but ngiyahlala la. We want material things. Siyalinyadwa sinema bruises, we have scars because of the material things. As con cannot sebenzela ngathi fuck off hamba ungahamba nje, it's fine. And uba reverse kubuye yena Just I fuck of him. It's fine, leave. Don't back be. What for this? I'm going votes. It be a lion. Minanjan.
I put a very announce where you can cow. Come on.
Can you go up from Narum Yang?
Wait, Kokota when it's very. Tell us now about the products. Lakona. Goods end and the miracles out because we shall pay. You get coaches or when you sit down with a for. Tell us about the products. So when they can and get what things I would see. Do you make them? Do you buy them? Do you?
Yo, I'm a product leng wanda go maneng de ma product leng tilanga wa da a lot.
Tell us the top 3. Lo shisa ukla malanga. Lo ngzamba mlonyen.
Imfihlo yebafati it's a kungemandi uyakunatha for kwenda wena ube nemizwa to have sex. Passionate. U feel man ukuthi I miss you. I want you. Uyabona bakuthenga kakhulu ngibone lapho ukuthi ama ladies alimele pretender.
It's giving him dolofia.
No, it's not just dolofia. This one it's really good. Okay, asisiso dolofia bafati kasi njalo but yeah and then live in Bella.
Wait, don't rush, we have the time. Things don't dolofia. Okay,
I don't focus on men because
why?
I don't focus on men. I don't know. I know I've seen Dolofia trend, but I in my videos I hardly focus unless men are being abused. That's why I speak for them. Okay, but I don't focus a lot on men. Okay, so well, that research comment No, there's no chance. So I know I have a party. Come on. No, it's okay.
You see, I'm not. I thought it was spelling something. Yes, in fish. That's what it's called.
Yeah.
It means.
Yeah.
ivusa ukuthi ube in the mood ukhangeke baba sekhaya boyfriend whatever.
Yes.
But that's the problem with those things. Ishathi vele fanele ukusebenzisa na guaranteed ukuthi crap ngiyaheva.
No. This thing stays in your body for 4 days. You drink it 30 minutes before yolala. When you know what, let's say ungumfati uhlala nevota uyabona. Because the madoda khona la sexually active, like ufuna sex every day, and when you can't have sex every day, it get boring. So let's say that you know what's in Vosako, but we understand in Vosayake. So you just drink lenangzana 30 minutes before you go to bed, and it stays in your body for 4 days. Let's say we are krepangalelo lang. But there's still the next day, you can still feel whoa. And because it makes you yeah, it makes me really want a man. Yeah. Miss a man. And yeah, when the now comes, we don't come, we fake, we pretend. Yeah, when the come away.
It stays in your system
for 4 days. Yes.
Short to go 4 days.
I've control available 4 days. What crap you 4 days? Make sure. What crap the rest, crap or do something. Make a move.
Yeah, ne?
Yeah.
It's tough.
But it's on like organic. My products are organic. My chemicals, pH, what. Very organic, natural. Good, and you go say, hey, that cancer because a lot of people say, it's very organic. If you understand, yes, if you understand anything that is organic, it's natural. Even alo blongo bambuba very organic. What blongo is just that you mix together so many things. Kuba very organic. Kuba better perfume and everything is just bulong.
Second product.
Moringa, yes.
Uqala wakhuluma ngale nangokuthi I remember lelo thi ya trend nya lemvu yini
Vimbela.
Yes. Elaborate on Vimbela ngoba you didn't elaborate. Did she elaborate the first time? I think she did.
Yeah.
But like tell us browse through it before uyekulele.
Okay, Vimbela is nguvazele nalo ugcobisako nangabe you have spiritual attacks or timvota kadhambi kahle. You can use it because the colors are 7.
7 colors.
7 colors, yes. Black,
not
red,
the
white.
dishes and food. No, I'm sure about 7 colors.
No, those are 7 colors of food, but 7 colors of lema vimbela. So each color, issue in problem yako. Pink is for attraction. Black is for black and the color yakaza nje yekulwa imbi. And the red is for protection and blocking your enemies. The white yekuvulatin votako tikanya uyabona. Then blue it's purified. Votako vulego uyafuna bo interview you prepare yourself uyabona. The colors nje la bright for attraction.
Blue for this podcast.
Pinky. Phela ngathi sitone madoda la. Pink.
Hayibo.
Pink is for attraction. Njoba nje just for attraction. La uqhamuka khona kuba another thing. Yabona uyavakala ukuthi there is you.
Hey.
No, we are interviewing. Sicela nanye ungemove. We want you.
So it happens.
Yes, it really happens.
Magic.
You have to believe in it. So when you pray, you already believe that Bible. So when you pray, just believe it has happened. When you pray, because like I said, all my products but if you don't believe in these things, they won't work for you. 0%. No, it won't work. But the minute you believe in it and pray,
Number 3.
It's the blong, of course. Yeah, we are trained up long. So
okay,
bulongo. Bulongo, it's bulongo. It's coming komeni. But glama product. Buta bese buya mix. Kupoma ilotion. Kupoma tinsipo. Kupoma boma oils. Kupoma tinsipo. So lengwenda go bulongo ngenda insipo ngende scrape. For cleansing my body, for my miscarriage, for my soul ties, yabona lokutalwa khabogoko sekubangwa imihlaba ukhanzela abanye sebakulaye bakulange bamfa bakho so kukhona lemva le kanjalo and it's real so kuyakwenda ke lokuthi ukhona lokuthi cleanse remove those bad energies, those negative energies phindela lempilo yakho nje be smooth lema opportunities available.
From what I'm getting, because impilo ihlala evolve and ne thinking ngathi ikhona idinsha ngathi conquerisha let but iyohlala ikhona nema challenges.
Yeah.
Shothi kahle kosa umuntu asebenzise umuthi nasensimuthi azayofa nakathandaza straight azayofa nasendise i-product yakho abuyela ahlavusetela.
No.
But, you can't because this thing akufani negula kusibophethe inhloko nathi amaphilisi so right. Yo ngizona tell
Yeah. Okay. It's not like ukusebenzisa uzuyofa just because mina ngisebenzise ebulongo ukuthi ngisuse nawo. So sinangiyeke labulongo lethi imvoti itawubuya no. Empilweni we use faith. Because when we speak, when we pray, we cast things. That's a Biblein kunakabusisa abantu. Bekabusisa these should go away lamadumon and never come back. So now usebenzisa something. It could be a kengli, could be a kengli. When you pray, you cast things, you block them. And then you have faith. Whatever that I say, it would never happen. And it will never happen. But if faith, if you lack faith, siyadlala.
Inzabe beef, bogogo basesouth Africa bahlabene beef anabani ngelwala kangwane gogo. Leniphethelana naye ngama-product nangemithi.
Okay, I wouldn't say. I think
we've only had Gogo Pondo on the show. A lady by the name Gogo. I don't know if you know her. But saying I should beef anabani ngoba ladies always about beef.
Okay, mina, I don't have anyone that I hate. I don't have the height of hate. And labaning ang bad. And even got TikTok it's so fun. No. No, I don't have Gogo that is beef and I don't think so. But I have people that I know from TikTok that they don't like my content. They don't like that because what I'm doing is different from what they do. They want ukuthi bantu bete batohlola kibo uyabona bahlole because now uhlola kumuntu you need to pay money uyabona and mina ngithi hayi ambothenga livimbela la 20 rand ungayi enyangeni uyabona ukuthi it's more like I'm saying
business
sengimosha business yalo mnye umuntu ngithi mina ambothenga livimbela la 20 rand yena so expect ukuthi mfuna atohlola kuye funa keep 200 noma kamnikele toti mithi leto. And the funny part is le tembo la bat mixa is the very same thing ngikukhuluma kancane la kuma videos it's just bona sebakuthathela endumbe. The difference is yena sokele endumbe. So a lot of tinyanga vele they don't like that. Now basa expose invoted. Now sa expose. So to some customers atabuya apna sa bantu bawuthenga mandi in. So I know some they don't like that because that's why I limited my comment because some they inbox me basho ukuthi akushiwo kanjena I'm like and then nangibuka le profile because before I reply I check are you worth my time or not? So ngiyabuka ukuthi is you. So ngiyabona ukuthi sothi nayo inyanga because uyambona postile lapha nalapha.
Kepha ngakubhalela kuphi na TikTok? I just called. Maybe I got your number from someone.
No, you called but you said ngibhalele
TikTok and you never responded. Yeah, you never. And then you said, you know what she said? I have over 50,000 messages on my TikTok. That's what she said.
I swear to you. And the funny part, guys, I don't read my comment. I don't read my inbox. Because there are a lot and I lot. Of course. So there are a lot. I feel like it's not fair. So it's better for me. You just call me or WhatsApp. Even WhatsApp it's crowded. And better with wrong reasons. Of course, but it's really crowded. WhatsApp. It's better you call. And I went it's now it's not me.
Since it's lapitsin in number, M7.
Ikonak bio, it's 76676498. Mel. For
the right reasons, guys.
For right reasons.
And I know, did I support that going at Tempo? That gave us a site.
Yes.
2 more questions before we leave.
Yeah.
According to you, because I saw you once said something about that. Break it down and the importance of prayer.
Yeah. Kuthakatha guys ngesikhathi uma kusebenzisela umuthi futhi kwendeke imvo letikabe empilweni yakho. Kuthakatha lo uyathakatha you have a bad heart to wish something ukuthi nangashayiswa imoto uyenyangeni nangahlala ngawuthola umsebenzi kule boutique yakhe shangathi bangahlala bangathengi leti impahla uyabona akusebenzisele a bad spell like mithi bayisebenzisa imithi kuthakatha lo even enhlitiyo nje kuthakatha lo ukuthi I don't wish good for you uyabona kukhona nje abaye ngiphila nabo khona la sodini hayi khashana they don't like mel njema content creators enu.
Boba, no one 3.
Nje ama content creators.
Yeah, well, you see now. You see now. If I had an idea, I was gonna ask then who show what sing Lona no Maxui. Are they females, guys?
Both. They just
okay.
don't feel
me. Hints gay. Because maybe come tell ngabani, itine ngabani. Ngabe weak.
No, not weak.
Uyabasaba?
No, ngibasaba.
Okay, asesiqhubeke ukuthakatha. Bayafuna ukuthakatha kahle lapha. So bayakuthakatha.
Ngenhlitiyo kambi. Bayathakatha ngenhlitiyo. They just ngisho ngathi mina read images, they just don't like me. Yeah. They just don't like me. They don't feel me. They don't anything. Because kuyenteka labanye ngibe in one space with them. They pretend they don't recognize me. Ngisho umuntu mina lona 34 followers. They pretend like they don't know me. No, but guys,
that's the issue we always have in this country. Oh, we see, but they'll pretend like abagwat. And they know you by
Exactly.
But then now when you start talking, it's saying like, oh, I think I've seen you from. No, come on, come on, bro, you know me.
Yeah. So last week being invited to Gulenye launch. So vele invited this this content what.
Where was it?
They will know themselves. I won't disclose.
Oh, le launching laba before.
No, that's another example.
Yekuthagatha.
Yekuthagatha ngenhlitiyo, yes.
Baba. Ucela ukuthi at least ukhwehlela kahle sithi udalitfole.
Yeah, so nangilena ke, so there was this when there was this lady, so ngafika kuqala ngaba early. I respect time. So ngafika kuqala ngaba early ke, so we chatted, it was nice and beautiful. And then the others nabasebaqala bafika ghosted me. One ghost, and then nasabafika laba they pretend like I've never seen me anywhere else. I was like, then I realized it's okay because maybe it's because of my content. Mina ngipost ukudla, mina ngipost vacation, mina ngipost that bona. They feel like Lowabo, it's genuine, it's out there. Because yeah.
Hey, the more ufuna mention, the more uqhubeka.
No, it's just telling me it's not worth it.
Okay, bobani bebakhona. Ngase laba deserve komna kokunyanya.
And I just have important kangaka.
Okay, no, it's fine. Siqhubeke ngekuthakatha bodwa nabo bese nabo sabafasi bayakuthakatha.
Yeah, ukuthakatha inhlitiyo lembi ukuthakatha nje kwakona ukufisela lomunye umuntu info lembi. Uyathakatha ufaphi nje noma unamjabulela ukuthi uyathi usebenzile, this is beautiful, nema caps, t-shirts, bags, this is very nice.
No, siyabonga.
Ngisho kona ukuthi lokho akude la uphela khona kujabulela lo munye umuntu. So even to wish all things for people kuthakatha lokho kuthakatha kusebenzisa nje something or the things that you speak or the things that you do letimbi for the other people.
Okay, cool. Last question, inzaba importance of prayer. I saw in one of the videos you mentioned ukuthi umqwa ukuthi ungalazi isikhathi sithi uvuke ebusuku ngathi uthandaze, uthandaze. Yindani prayer kahle according to you ngoba wena you are tapped in the spiritual side of things.
Umthandazo is very important empilweni yomuntu nje. Kakhulu neBhayibheli yaku-emphasize leyo pray. So yeah, umthandazo umqoka because you block a lot of things. Sometimes I would think you if you do believe in your prayer. I would think you should rose water, I would think you should belong if you do believe in your prayer and you pray a lot. And umthandazo wasebusuku is very powerful. Like I used to say that to people. Because a lot of things then they get ebusuku. Baglisa ulele, bagangulele. Umfunje ngakusukele mina ubhambala staradini. Ukufuna isikhathi ulele because
hey, solo lapho. Yini lento people you have sex with this pogo. Hey. Guys ebusuku. Hayi and futhi phela it's different that one.
So good, mama.
Manje sukuloyiwe.
Yeah, it's dangerous. It's very dangerous because...
No, but this must be my wet dreams.
No. I went there.
Akhona my wet dreams.
Akhona my wet dreams. I went there, ulalwe ngilosimpele sikhuluma ngayo ngachami. Never. Noma abang 2 seconds. Noma abang 1 second.
I know, that's deep.
It's deep.
Sukuloyiwe phela lapho.
Usukuloyiwe vela. I went there, but in real life, probably take 5 to 15 minutes for you to come. Okay, you need to ask yourself why.
Okay, let's just look. Usibona ngani ke lese kubutha in general because I'm sure if let's say uputha partner wakho nevi sex separate nje this is genuinely me dreaming having sex. Nekuthi ngile sex espoko lethunyelwe ke le fika uride ubabathe.
Wena what is so good.
Kuba mnandi kakhulu akufeni.
Kakhulu.
Okay.
Angithi na ubhutha umbakho uyamata umbakho uyashisa noma uyacansa. But i-sex yespoko noma dokolos it's always good. Akwende kubanza, akwende kube warm, it's always perfect. And ungathi uyakwati lokuthi uyathi wena ufuna kupototwa kanje wena ufuna zetolo bonze njenge.
Manje basoba kuloyela in lapha. Zetolo bonze njenge phela.
Usuka kuloyela in, they use that for witchcraft village dokoloshi. Logo it takes away the good that you have, your blessings. It takes away logo the moment you know I've come unkamel. It's the time ashiale.
Steve guys. Yeah.
And go west ke nakachamele vele wachama nalala nachama it's west because ushia these things abamthome ukuthi akushiye those ticitho in ukhanze soyagula ubulawa sinye noma ke njengoba takho sahambi noma emagezi nje wena uyasoma ayakufeel man.
Basho nje because I saw a podcast where they were talking about this thing bayasho bathi lenzaba yabo dokoloshi is a different thing because lo sis was wathi yena she ends up not even enjoying having sexual relationship
because your mind
with other guys because uthanda nje soya kusingidawulala musingidawuthole ebusuku.
Exactly, your mind compare loke lokuvile ebusuku and this one tosha wena achamisa ngani umlomjuna ngende angachamisa because we don't communicate a lot of us we just and pretend ukuthi come yabona kanti tokolo knows you tokolo it's a spirit that knows you from your toe to your head, knows your thoughts ukuthi definitely.
How do you then help umflo kanjalo? Uyakhona kumsita?
Yes, I can.
Negative feedback.
No, logo you can use red vimbela for that. It akakusonzeli. No, so when they say red vimbela tokolosh, akakuyami akakwendeni, but you have to use it like.
So they send this thing to you. Sorry,
yes,
when we need another sit down because these things we talk about them and there are people that are living this thing.
Yes, it's true. It's
every
day. So lile red vimbela liyakusita na tokolosh uyawuthatha nje uqhubise under your breast. La utang mong khona kuyahlala mong like just under your breast. And it writes both you and us.
Yes.
Akusho ukuthi na utafika kulala uqhamuka sometimes as a lady njengoba usho ukuthi intombi yakho and it disguise uyathi ukuthi na utocabanga male ngisebenzisa mina because I don't know your girlfriend. Yes, na utocabanga male you know what you will believe it ukuthi it's real. Yabo kanjalo nami nangicabanga my boyfriend I was thinking it's real gun it's just and it's real no extent that can't mind. Now Camille nje that can't Camille. You will feel virtually good time man. Something when they gilela.
Hey guys, subscribe. subscribe. Channel was subscribe lapha. Hit the notification button. Nasenibukele naze nafika la kule video. Sisilana Melissa and she's spilling all the tea. Hey, we need you for another sit down. Of course, people are gonna write the questions down in the comment section below. Bahle ukuthi kwendekani, skiphani, how can you help them? Of course, nema details so ashito. But most importantly, nongasitshela nyalo ukuthi utholakala kuphi kanjani ngabe usitile. Before I pass it on to you, I'd like to give a shout out one more time to Ikleri Store. The production team yami ekhona yonke namhla Khethuxolo. Big time Sibambelek sound. Hey, big time. Uyakhumbula usithenge girlfriend yakho. Hey, but today is shaky, my brother. You must. Emkay is also in the building. I'll throw it back to you. Usitshela ukuthi maybe pins to sum it up in terms of last words, and all of that.
Kakhulu guys, ngicela nje kubonga this opportunity. Yeah, thank you for recognizing me. Yeah, I think you are the most genuine people. Like I said, I sense energies. This thing is genuine. I can tell when someone is using me, but this is very genuine. So thank you so much for this platform. And thank you so much, Nekbam, Mel. Who sees who is Mel. Thank you so much. Ngiyatholakala eMbabane guys, ngiyatholakala Manzini. My number is on my bio. Please do watch this video until the end. There is tea in this video. So guys, thank you so much. Inombolo yami is 76676498. Thank you so much.
Thank you guys. We'll see you guys on the next episode. Danko. Sarap guys.